Hi guys. This video will show you how to fix Dell laptop black screen problem. Why you're experiencing a black screen issue. The main cause of the Dell black screen issue is a bad connection between your graphics drivers and your operating system. Another possible cause is a display adapter driver update issue. You may also run into a black screen of death after system updates or installations, which you may need a reinstallation of Windows. Method 1. Restart your graphics drivers. In many cases, your Dell laptop black screen error is simply caused by a bad connection between your operating system and monitor. Whenever you run into a black screen problem, you can always try the keyboard shortcut. Press the Windows logo key plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B at the same time. This hotkey combination will help you restart your PC's graphics drivers. Method 2. Force shut down your laptop. Since you can't restart your Dell laptop the usual way as it gets stuck, here's what you can do. Disconnect all external devices or peripherals, such as a printer, Bluetooth, or USB devices. Power off your laptop by pressing the power button for about 10 to 20 seconds. Disconnect the AC adapter and remove the battery intact. Drain the remaining battery by holding onto the power button for approximately 60 seconds. Place the battery back in and plug in the charger. Press the power button to turn on your laptop. Method 3. Restart your explorer.exe process. On your keyboard, press the Ctrl plus Shift plus S keys at the same time to open Task Manager. On Processes tab, find explorer.exe. Then right-click on it and select Restart. Restart your computer and see if the black screen is gone now. Method 4. Update your graphics driver. A black screen problem may occur if your graphics driver is out of date. To improve computer performance, it's important to make sure that you always have the latest graphics driver installed. Open your browser, and go to Dell Drivers and Driver page. Link site in the description. Enter your product in the search box. And then click on Search button. Choose which driver updates to install. However, if you're not comfortable playing with device drivers, or you simply don't have the time, we recommend doing it with Driver Easy. Just click Update All to automatically download and install the correct version of all the drivers that are missing or out of date on your system. Thanks for watching this video.